Hey, this is Jay from A Stitch in Time, reminding you that we have 2 events coming up in January. January 24th, 25th, 26th. Thursday, Friday, Saturday is a quilt retreat getaway. You can come, sew, embroider, you can do some of the projects we have, or you can do your own projects if you want. We're going to have a Janome educator there, and there's going to be the ability to test drive a machine if you want to do that. If you register for that before Saturday, you can save $50 off of that. But come, let us do the cooking and the cleaning, and just have fun working on your UFOs and recovering from the crazy holiday crowds that we've had the last few weeks. The other event is we have the AccuQuilt Go system. You can see behind me here now. We have an educator coming in for 3 sessions on those 2 days, and you get to pick whichever one you want. The cost is only $10, and I am so confident you'll be impressed with what this can do for your quilt cutting, so you can cut less and quilt more. That if you come and you find that this is not something that you think will work for you, I'll refund your $10. Or if you come and are impressed, I'll let you spend that $10 and get $10 worth of merchandise. Use it as cash towards any purchases that you make that day. So just make sure you register for those here shortly, and we're looking forward to 2019, and we'll see you then. Take care. God bless.